Think back 30 or 40 years ago. Some people wore glasses, but now here near the numbers we see today. These days, it's not just people over 50, everywhere you look, from teenagers to seniors, more and more folks are relying on glasses just to read a message or see clearly. What changed? We didn't suddenly develop weaker genes. The truth is, our modern lifestyle has created a perfect storm for eye strain. We spend hours staring at screens, we live mostly indoors under artificial light, and we've trained our eyes to focus almost exclusively on things just inches from our faces. Day after day, year after year, this puts tremendous pressure on our eyes' focusing muscles, particularly the ciliary muscles that control how our lens changes shape. When you constantly focus on close objects, phones, books, computer screens, those delicate ciliary muscles get stuck in one position. They lose their flexibility, their strength, and their ability to quickly shift between near and far vision. The result? Fatigue, blurred vision, but here's what most people don't realize. Your eye muscles are just like any other muscles in your body. They need proper nutrition to stay strong, flexible, and healthy. Today, I'm going to share with you 11 powerful foods that can help strengthen these muscles and potentially restore some of that focusing ability you thought was gone forever. Food number 1, wild-caught salmon. Let's start with one of nature's most powerful eye protectors, wild-caught salmon. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon, particularly DHA, are like premium oil for your eye machinery. These healthy fats reduce inflammation throughout your eye, improve blood flow to the tiny vessels that feed your retina, and help keep your ciliary muscles flexible and responsive. As we age, dry eyes become increasingly common, making focusing even more difficult. The omega-3s in salmon help combat this problem naturally. I recommend eating wild-caught salmon twice a week, preferably in the evening. Your body does most of its repair work while you sleep, so giving it these powerful nutrients before bedtime maximizes their effectiveness. Food number 2, dark leafy greens, spinach and kale. Your grandmother was right about eating your greens, especially when it comes to eye health. Spinach and kale are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that act like natural sunglasses for your eyes. These compounds filter out harmful blue light and protect the delicate tissues of your macula, the part of your retina responsible for sharp, central vision. But here's what's really interesting. Lutein and zeaxanthin also help improve the efficiency of your ciliary muscles. They reduce oxidative stress in these muscles, helping them contract and relax more smoothly. This translates to better focusing ability and less eye fatigue throughout the day. For maximum benefit, eat a large handful of these greens daily, preferably with a bit of healthy fat like olive oil or avocado. The fat helps your body absorb these valuable nutrients more effectively. I suggest adding them to your lunch. It's a great way to combat that afternoon eye strain many people experience. Food number 3, blueberries. These little purple powerhouses are like tiny medicine capsules for your eyes. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, special compounds that strengthen the blood vessels in your eyes and improve circulation to your ciliary muscles. Better blood flow means these muscles get more oxygen and nutrients, helping them stay strong and responsive. Blueberries also help regenerate rhodopsin, a protein in your retina that's essential for good vision in low-light conditions. Many people over 50 notice they have trouble seeing in dim restaurants or while driving at dusk. Blueberries can help address this issue. Eat a half cup of fresh or frozen blueberries every morning with your breakfast. The natural sugars will give you energy for the day, while the anthocyanins get to work protecting and strengthening your eyes. Food number 4, eggs, particularly the yolks. Don't let anyone tell you egg yolks are bad for you. They're absolutely essential for eye health. Egg yolks contain a perfect combination of lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc. The zinc is particularly important because it helps transport vitamin A from your liver to your retina, where it's converted into protective pigments. Zinc also plays a direct role in maintaining the health of your ciliary muscles. A zinc deficiency can lead to muscle weakness throughout your body, including those critical focusing muscles in your eyes. The lutein and zeaxanthin in egg yolks are also more bioavailable than from plant sources, meaning your body can use them more easily. Try to eat 2 whole eggs, including the yolks, at least 4 times a week. The morning is ideal because it gives your body all day to utilize these nutrients. Food 5 and 6, carrots and sweet potatoes. Your mother wasn't just making up stories when she said carrots were good for your eyes. Both carrots and sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is absolutely essential for maintaining healthy vision and supporting the function of your ciliary muscles. Vitamin A helps maintain the health of your cornea and supports the production of rhodopsin, that light-sensitive protein I mentioned earlier. But beyond basic vision, vitamin A also helps keep the muscles around your eyes strong and responsive. Sweet potatoes have an additional advantage. They're also rich in vitamin C, which helps maintain the collagen in your eye muscles and blood vessels. Eat 1 medium carrot or half a sweet potato daily, preferably cooked with a little fat to enhance absorption. Food 7 and 8, walnuts and almonds. These nuts are like tiny treasure chests of eye-healthy nutrients. Walnuts provide another source of omega-3 fatty acids, while almonds are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your eye muscles from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin E is particularly important for the ciliary muscles because these muscles work constantly throughout the day, creating oxidative stress. The vitamin E in almonds helps neutralize this stress, keeping the muscles healthy and functional. Both nuts also provide zinc and magnesium, minerals that support muscle function throughout your body, including your eyes. Eat a small handful, about an ounce, of mixed walnuts and almonds every afternoon as a snack. Food number 9. Avocados. Avocados are nutritional powerhouses for your eyes. They contain more lutein than any other commonly consumed fruit, plus they provide the healthy monounsaturated fats that help your body absorb all those eye-protecting nutrients from other foods. The healthy fats in avocados also help maintain the flexibility of cell membranes in your eye muscles, keeping them supple and responsive. Additionally, avocados are rich in folate, which helps maintain healthy blood vessels in your eyes. Add half an avocado to your lunch salad or morning toast 3 to 4 times a week. The combination of healthy fats and antioxidants makes it an ideal midday eye protector. Food number 10, red bell peppers. Here's a surprise. Red bell peppers contain more vitamin C than oranges. This vitamin C is crucial for maintaining the collagen in your blood vessels and muscle tissues, including those delicate ciliary muscles. It also helps your body absorb iron, which is important for healthy blood flow to your eyes. Red peppers also contain beta-carotene and small amounts of lutein and zeaxanthin. The combination makes them an excellent all-around eye food that's easy to incorporate into meals. Eat half a red bell pepper daily, either raw in salads or lightly cooked in stir-fries. Raw peppers provide the most vitamin C, but cooking helps release the beta-carotene. Food number 11, sardines. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and CoQ10, a powerful antioxidant that helps your mitochondria produce energy efficiently. Your ciliary muscles are some of the most active muscles in your body, constantly adjusting focus throughout the day. They need efficient energy production to function properly, and CoQ10 helps provide exactly that. Sardines also provide selenium, a mineral that works with vitamin E to protect your eye muscles from oxidative damage. If you can manage it, try to eat sardines twice a week. If the taste is too strong, mash them into avocado or mix them with olive oil and lemon juice. Now, I want to be completely honest with you about something important. While these foods are fantastic for most people, if you're dealing with certain health conditions, you'll want to be a bit more careful. Diabetes folks, those sweet foods like blueberries and sweet potatoes can affect your blood sugar, so keep portions reasonable and monitor your levels. Kidney issues, go easy on nuts, high phosphorus, and raw spinach. Check with your doc about avocado portions too. Heart disease, a couple of egg yolks weekly are usually fine, but choose fresh sardines over canned when possible to avoid extra sodium. Liver or stomach problems, take it slow with nuts and fatty foods, and cook your vegetables instead of eating them raw. Look, these are incredibly healthy foods. I just want you to enjoy them safely for your unique situation. When in doubt, have a quick chat with your healthcare provider. They know your body best. That's it for now. Remember, your health is the greatest gift. Protect it. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay strong, stay loved.